Today is Friday, July 1st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado in-dash climate controller unit. This is from my friend Andy in California. And the unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored. This is a show quality unit, validation tested and ready for installation. Okay, the unit was completely disassembled, the potentiometer changed, the multi-port distribution manifold has been replaced, and the circuit board cleaned and calibrated to the guide bar in alignment with the portals. Okay, so this is an absolutely pristine condition, fully restored unit that has been validation tested. It'll be shipping out as soon as I get Andy's okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as the air conditioning climate controller and also the programmable logic controller, which often fails. Probably 50% of the instances where I restore the climate controllers, I'm also restoring the AC programming unit, which is behind the glove box. So this is George in Florida. Today is Friday, July 1st. Thank you very kindly.